Hey there, welcome back friends. In this video we will talk about sets under Python. So let's get started. Now friends, whenever we deal with any data structure in Python, there are two ways. For example, if I create a set like this, then it would be like my set equals, and in place of bracket we will make use of braces 1, 2 and 3. So this is a set and we can easily create it by this, and by taking help of this braces and the structure of data which we pass, Python will understand that which type of data structure is this data, and based on the structure of the data it will create a object of equivalent data type. So for example, in here I type in type of my set. Let me show you. Then it will return set. Likewise, we can do it in this fashion as well. It could be like my list equals, in here there would be a square bracket and it would be like 1, 2 and 3. Again, let's check the type of my list. Then it will definitely return list. So data structure or data type of the variable can be dynamically modified as well, and it can be handled by Python internally. So if, for example, this is like not a good example, but let me show you. For example, I type in my list equal to my set. What happens is the content of the set would be transferred to my list, and the entire content of my list would be overwritten. Will this work? Now let me show you my list. Even though the name is my list, but this will be a set now, and if I show you the type, then definitely the type would be converted to set. So the data structure in Python is definitely very flexible. We can convert data type from 1 to 2. For example, we create a list, and using this statement we have changed the data type to set. So all of these things are possible in Python. This is the reason why initializing a data structure is not mandate in Python. So let me get rid of this statement, this statement, and this statement in order to reduce confusion. Let me run this. Let me run this as well. Alright, so everything is looking good. Now friends, even though initialization in Python is not mandate, but we can do it. For example, set2 equals set method can be called, and this will create a set without any data. So it would be like set2, then it will return a empty set, right? For example, we wish to check the type of set2, then again this will be set. So these kind of things are very much possible in Python. Now moving forward, finally let us start discussing about set. What exactly is a set? A set is a collection of unique objects. That's it. That would be a layman's good definition. So in here, for example, we have the set2. Let me add couple of values in here. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 6, 6. So in here, the number 4 and number 6 are repeated. Now when it comes to set, the repeated values would be ignored and only the unique values would be displayed. Oops, the name is set2. Let me display it. Here we go. So the unique values are the part of the set, and the repeated values are simply truncated. Those are not the part of the list. Alright, now finally let us experiment more, and in here, for example, we wish to add a yet another element in the set. Then how we can do that? We can directly print set2 dot tab. There are like multiple methods available to us. One of the method could be like add, right? And for example, we wish to add 10. Now 10 is definitely greater than the greatest element in the set, so where it should get added? Will it show before the set, the first element in the set, or it would be added after the last element in the set? Let me show you. So indeed it will be displayed at the last element in the set. Now when it comes to Python, what happens is set cannot be like searched or extracted by taking help of the index. So take a note of it. I will show that in a minute. So in here 10 is added right after 6 of what we say in the set. For example, I wish to add -1. A 0 was added by me for experimental purposes, so ignore this. 0 was added by pausing this video. So in here, let me add dot add, and let me add -1. Let me add this. Let me print set2. Then -1 would be added right in the beginning. For example, we wish to add 7 now, and then print set2. Then 7 would be added in between 6 and 7. So this is again an advantage where set will try to sort things up. And in here, for example, we wish to extract a specific value from a list. Then is it possible? It is not, in fact. For example, in place of parenthesis, can we use bracket? Is it possible? No, indeed not. Can we do like this? Well, this means that we cannot extract a specific value directly from set. So there is a difference between set and list, and we will indeed definitely work with set in a greater detail later down the line when we will try to deal with more sophisticated use cases like data visualization or something like that. Sets are very important indeed. Alright, so in here we can easily make out that we cannot extract a specific value from the set right away. May it be using braces, may it be bracket, may it be parenthesis. Let me also show you. Even we cannot extract using braces. So this is how set are. Set are little more complicated than what we say our list. They are different. Now finally, let us check how we can remove element or we can pop element. So in here, for example, I type in set dot pop. In fact, let me check the parameters. So pop takes no parameters, right? So it will remove what? It will remove 1. Now friends, why? By taking help of this pop operation, 1 was removed. One element was after -1 and 0. It was in between the set. The reason why 1 was removed, because 1 was the first element which was added in the set. So the pop operation in set will work like this. It will remove the first element which was added in the set. So again, take a note of it. So do we have something else in here? Let me show you. Set2 dot. So there is a yet another method by the name of remove. Now for example, I pass on 3 to this remove, then what would be the outcome? Let me show you. And then let me print the values. So this will search for the value, and if the value is present, then definitely that value would be removed from the set. Pretty standard, right? Alright, now finally let us check a couple of more things. In order to save some time, I have already added these two sets. Let me run these, and these sets are set A and set B, where set A contains Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and set B contains Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Alright, now there are a couple of things. So it could be like set union equals. How we can union these two? It could be like set A, this symbol, and set B. So this is the union symbol when it comes to Python. Let me run this, and if I run set union, so what this will do, this will indeed create a entirely new set, and this set will contain all the elements. When adding all the elements from set A and set B, and it won't repeat the common elements. So in total 1 2 3 4 5 6, there are 6 elements indeed. Is I am missing something? Yes, I am missing Friday. Let me add Friday to the set. That's silly that I missed one day. All right, here we go. So there are like these 7 elements in this set of union. Can we add 2 sets? Let me show you. So can we replace this symbol with plus? Let me run this. This will throw a error, right? So plus concatenation operator is not supported. It is the union operator which will work the similar task. All right, now can we check the intersection? Yes, we can. So it could be like intersection equals set A ampersand set B. So this will only give us the common elements. Let me show you. Intersection is Monday and Wednesday. Monday and Wednesday are repeated. All right, so these are the operations which I wish to discuss in this video. Definitely we can like experiment more, we can check more, but as of now this is good enough. Do practice, do try to experiment more with sets are definitely interesting and very important when it comes to Python, and when it comes to data analysis, these kind of things, sets are very important. Alright, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and take care.